So I got to ask a question. Why is it's so easy to get solo ads for business opportunity leads, and it's difficult to get them for health and fitness, personal development, and other niches? And the answer is actually pretty straightforward. 90% of those people selling solo ads are buying solo ads from someone who's already selling solo ads, and it's all for business opportunities. So those lists are easy to build. They're not necessarily very effective, but they're easy to build. You just go buy solo ads from guys who sell solo ads. That's what 90% of your solo ad providers do. Okay. What we do is different. We're actually working within the realms of the privacy agreement that suppliers have on their products. We import data into our system. We then test the data. Testing the data is what I call segmentation as well. There's two things we're testing for. First off, the data comes in, even though they have signed or have allowed the people that we get the data from to share the information with marketing companies, still doesn't mean that they're willing to, receive our email. So we have one set of servers that sends out some emails just to see who is or isn't going to play nice. If somebody makes a spam complaint or opts out, all that, it's fine. Those servers are designed to handle that specific role. Those leads then mature into our mailing platform. Our mailing platform is going to send out a series of emails, and it's going to be specific niche related. So what we're going to do is take this cloud of data, we're going to sift through it. If they open an email for a specific niche, so if it's a product personal development email, they open it, they become personal, they get segmented into a separate list that is going to promote solo ads for personal development. This is e-business traffic. If they open something about weight loss, it goes to our health niche. They open something about supplements, they go to the health list. If they open something about business opportunities, they go to the business opportunity list. Now, it takes a lot of leads to generate personal development and health lists. Now, you would think that wouldn't be the case, but in fact it does. So it's actually way more expensive to build personal development and a health list through sifting. That's basically like you take and you sift through what's in there and find out what people are interested in. Then it costs to develop a business opportunity list. It's very interesting how that works out. Even with raw data, which is essentially what we're buying, versus buying a solo ad. So, and here's the funny thing. You could buy solo ads and sift it and find personal development, health and fitness, and all these other products too. Even if they're Biz Op things, because some people who are in Biz Op want to lose weight. People who are in Biz Op want to improve their life. There's a lot of opportunity there for people to, move through that channel, right? So the difference is it's too expensive to do that. It's really, really, really outlandishly expensive to buy solo ads just to sell solo ads. Those people all end up making little or no money. They get desperate. They start sending out really deceptive emails to get clicks, and those clicks end up causing spam complaints, and those spam complaints are why people lose their autoresponder. People lose their autoresponders because of your email practice, not because of the leads. The leads are bad, they bounce. If they complain, got to remember the average solo ad lead is on 30 different lists. They complain on a lot of things. But that isn't so much the case on health and personal development. Those types of traffic are available from e-business traffic. Our resellers can buy and sell from e-business traffic if you want, but we have solo ad business sells to resellers. So both of those sites are great ways of getting low-cost, highly targeted, very effective traffic. I wanted you to understand why it's such a challenge to find people to provide solo ads for these specific niches.